You say, Tita Carol, I want this. Buy this for me. Go. Buy this for me.
Open it on.
Buy this for me, please. Go. 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 Go, Tita Carol. Go. Go.
Talagang
Hala, sabi mo, high five, high five. High five. Good job.
No, I'm filming you. Say hi. What are you eating? What's that? Cookies? What? Is it yummy?
enjoy hassle-free shopping from home when you reveal your personal shop.
Tumigil kami dito sa Coffee Cats. Kasi may mga pusa dito, guys. I-close na pala sila. Close. Patikar na yan. Pagbaba. First time niyo makakasama para sa vlog. Guys, this is JP. Nakaladkad niyo. Hi guys, we're at the take. Pero pauwi na ulit kami. Tsaka nakapag-video. Sorry. Say bye-bye.
Bye guys.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Meron po akong kaibigan na galing sa outing at mag-e-enroll.
Oo, kasi kailangan ko mag-enroll pala. Manyakas ko.
Ay, nakapapura ako. Tapos
Wala akong phone guys. Iwan ko yung phone ko para dala ko yung gamit niya.
ganyan niya ako kamahal.
Yes na yes for me. Ang dami ko nag-spam password. Pero may namalas pa din ako.
Nabalitin ko.
Ayoko na lang. As an influencer, dapat lagi kami ready.
No.
Kanino phone? Nice. Pareho kayo.
Magkano po 329? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Papa. I'm just a girl. Sa bahay ang aming bati. Merry Christmas. Ano nga to? Shade 11. Ganda siya. Happy skin. Yes. Maganda to kasi ano. Yes. Long lasting siya sa second coffee shop of the day.